When your track is ready to be shared with your student, there are two main ways I go about getting that mp3 file to the student. The first way is simply go up to File and down to Export and export the project to an mp3 file. This is in the case where you might be emailing the student the mp3 file itself and they're working on a website, or the website of Soundtrap, or browser-based. However, if you find that the student is going to be working on their phone, then the other way you can send the file is by sharing the project with them. Now, this is much easier because otherwise they will have to import the mp3 file you send them and a whole load of extra stuff they have to learn how to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's essentially collaborating on a project, and it helps with monitoring progress much easier. Okay, so the three ways that you can share the project with your student are up the top right-hand side here, the purple button that says Share, and that'll bring up for you the possibility to enter their email or to share via a link where you can copy the link. Same thing down in these gray tiles. The Invite a Friend brings you up the exact same menu. So if you click on the bottom right gray tile, you get the same thing. And finally, you can also do it over here where you see the little people icon, the purple people icon on the right. If I click that, it asks you, do you want to invite? And if you do, then it'll bring up the exact same menu again, or the exact same window. Okay, I've already done this. So just to show you what it looks like on a phone, I sent it to myself. So I'll talk as teacher sending it. And this is what the student received. So they received an email saying that this person wants to collaborate with you. And they just clicked the link, join the project. The teacher, on the other hand, receives a notification if the student has opened the link and they have accepted the invitation. And finally, this is what it looked like on my phone when I opened Soundtrap in that project.